We're going to talk about 5 things that I don't like about my 2021 C8 Corvette. The first thing I don't like about my C8 is the exhaust inside the cabin. This one has a OEM performance exhaust from outside. It sounds pretty aggressive, especially during cold start and stuff, but once you get in the cabin, you can barely hear it. Right now, I'm in sport mode, but and that's how much I can hear it. And if I want to hear the exhaust more, then I have to reduce the back window. And now with the open windows, I can hear it a little bit better.